The whole of me head top fuck off. The whole of me head top fuck off. The whole of me head top lick off. Me nah no head top. The whole of me.
Hey, me there with a boy and him thump out my teeth. Me wait till him lie down and thump out back him teeth. So they two have a teethless. That's all you make me feel.
But I'm we beat up that. Come in me beat up that. Bring on bubble power, don't get up. Sit down and boom. Skin out. From me know your pussy look good. Good. Set up for that.
Hey guys, come spend the afternoon with me. Started off the day late, so the first thing I'm gonna do is spread my bed, guys. As on see like me, I got a spread bed, nice clean black bed. Then I had some coursework to do, so I was doing my coursework. Cause guys, listen, I'm still in a college. Decided to make my afternoon productive, so I searched for an outfit because I'm gonna take some passport size photos. Was definitely trying to choose which one, a shorts or a tights. I definitely go with the tights. Skincare essentials I needed for the day: my moisturizer, my favorite sunscreen. Yeah, that's the thing. The girl I got looking in the mirror before she left the other now. The girl can't live out for double. Went outside for look at taxi, and guys, the sun was hitting. I walk foot girly. Reach my destination, army for some reaching at the cheer. Started to take my passport size pictures. Too much. Alright, wait. Hey. This was the end result and girl angle. Linked up with my girl Janelle. Ooh. Decided to stop somewhere and get some lunch. It gave a chill little cafe vibes and I really liked it. We both got fruit smoothies and it tasted really good. Decided to eat outside and catch up, and that's how I spent the rest of my day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So boy, I remember man, see I give a pure lick. What me I there do? What the fuck like? The idea body. Try to talk to that boy after me. Where am I doing?
Okay, where are you from?
Where you from? That don't even necessary on a Friday. Curly hair, fit, blood clot, girl. You know me have to buy a whole heap of curly hair, my love. Never know that's a curly hair. Hey, I want him curly hair, fit, girl. You know, man.
Yo, none can last from your junk crow. None can last from your dead old girl. Run wall. Eh? None can last from you. None can last from you. I'm going to take out class, your blood clot.
Tell you what, man. Because you want me to say, oh, me and him not talk. Oh, him the righteous, so. So me will name him a grind you. Righteous him there. Righteous him there. Call him now. I want to either take.
Fuck them Kelly night.
Fuck your girl in her throat back. Cause she say me cocky tougher than a court knot. Have your girl a gaggle me bars like a mouthwash. Big fat crown and me skate never over. Oh no. Cause baby me rich and crazy.
Wall your grounds.
So I'm to you.
Wall your grounds. And every day I laugh up. Wall your grounds. If you mess with the chip, I
Long time in no pop off a pill. Tell a bitch me repair a drink. Ice a drop off a wrist. German here with the banana clip. Wah, Matty coffee ratchet go. Bad guy, me I forget my cocky soap. She lick it sloppy like a lollipop. After me fuck you, me say adios. And if me lucky, me will slam me force. Slap up your body, paparazzi take a snap, you know. Dial on the phone.
Pussy one. How you do to me? You say I Kevin them bun. The fuck they are? You know what I said, some bruh? Suck your man.
big money when a shot stop. The full of girl when I have to talk that. You know see the jeep we never fast start. Pull up in a beast and girl a wind up in a short shots. Louis V that a dark glass. Girl a fear axe when we walk past. Skull when a kick.
Why baby, now what do you tell you this maga about? Look how you tick up and look good you now. Yeah man, you come like you find your happy weight dates. You look damn good. You look damn good dates. Look on the body there. Anything was to say alarm.
Bitch, me not give a fuck. And yeah, me this year again, come don't give a fuck. And you can't do shit. Go suck your mother from now to next year and come suck me because you fucking disgusting in your waist. Blood clot time from yesterday. I want to get on a blood clot. And I say, fucking birthday, I crash down, dirty bitch. Go suck your mother. Come fucking eat a stinking bumble clot up your pussy while you fucking retarded looking bitch. You waste my blood clot time. Come suck me, go suck your mother. Big stinking pussy face while you suck shit like dog. Go nyam your mother, bitch. Cause you waste my time. Bumble clot. I did a fucking dead for your birthday, bitch. You fucking inconsiderate as fuck. And you just think about your blood clot self, stupid slow ass bitch. The time I waste with you, I could do something else, fucking bitch. Go suck your mother, brother. You're a fucking stinking dead ass pussy. Go nyam your mother, bitch. Fuck you feel like. You come waste my blood clot time and this man you call you oh, 11 o'clock come. Oh, the man, you know him how to break it, bitch. Then I put your shit come up with something else, slow ass dumb ass bitch. You make man program a stupid bitch. Yes, a stupid bitch and you're retarded as fuck. Go suck your mother, come suck me. Dirty stinking fuck up. When give me what you want blood clot, you got it. Go nyam your mama. Go nyam your blood clot, mother. Go suck your mother.
Fuck them gal in our
Fuck your girl in her throat back. Cause she say me cocky tougher than a coat knot. Have your girl a cock me.
Squash when I kill, I go search Google.
Bro, body not beat you no. Body not kill you no, father. You not go jail. Body not go laugh, bro. You can't have one man, dog. Yeah.
Stage one ride it, pum pum sign it. Next time pum pum excite it. Drive mileage, salad and pilot. Your good pussy don't shit up on the toilet. Come and make a fuck on the grub on the tiling. Run with broke boy, stop my.
Them gal in our
Fuck your girl in her throat back. Cause she say me cocky tougher than a coat knot. Have your girl a gag for me bars like a mouthwash. Big fat crown and me skate never over. Oh no, cause baby me rich and crazy. Me full of money like Lee and Bailey. Buy anything you want, just strip up naked.
Your cocky one go to public, go make them out come out and look funny. 5-inch cocky and no cocky down. 5-inch cocky and no cocky down. 5-inch cocky and no cocky down.
Cocky, nothing baby. Me love man with pretty body head. You come in and me baby. Tiff up your hook and the good me read. Tiff up your hook and the good me read. Tiff up your hook and tiff up your hook and tiff up your hook and tiff up your hook.